Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic esophagus. So in the previous videos I have told you about the different parts which are present in between alimentary canal and anus. So in that we have discussed about mouth and buccal cavity. Now the third part which we are going to discuss today is esophagus, which is commonly known as food pipe. Okay, now this esophagus, you can see here beta, it is a muscular tube. This is the esophagus. It is a muscular tube through which the bolus, the food, okay, the food, it attains a ball-like structure in the mouth when it gets mixed with the saliva. Now through this food pipe, okay, this esophagus, what it is doing, it is a muscular organ, it is connecting the buccal cavity or the oral cavity with the stomach. Okay, so this food pipe, what is its function? First is, it is a muscular organ which is connecting the buccal cavity with the stomach. Second thing is, the muscles of this food pipe or the muscles of the esophagus, they always relax and contract. Okay, there is relaxation and contraction in the muscles of the food pipe, and it is rhythmic. Okay, there is rhythmic contraction and relaxation in the food pipe. Okay, contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. Okay, so due to this contraction and relaxation, you can see this is the relaxed part, this is contracted part, this is relaxed part. Okay, relaxed, contracted, relaxed, again contracted, relaxed, contracted. So due to this rhythmic contraction in the muscles of the esophagus or food pipe, the food, it goes to the stomach. Okay, and such rhythmic movement of the food in the food pipe is known as peristalsis. So what is peristalsis? It is the rhythmic movement or the rhythmic contraction and relaxation in the muscles of the food pipe, due to which the food, it moves forward. Okay, and the other function of the food pipe is to connect the buccal cavity with the stomach. Yes beta, now you can see the fourth part which is present between the alimentary canal and the anus is stomach. Now once the food is brought to the stomach through food pipe from the buccal cavity, this food, it reacts with the gastric juice which is secreted by the walls of the stomach. Now beta, this is the stomach. It is a J-shaped structure, and you have to remember that it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Okay, the alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth and it ends at the anus. So in between the stomach is present, and this is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Widest means sabse chauda. Okay, now you can see beta, it is J-shaped widest part of the alimentary canal. Its structure is, it looks like J shape. Okay. Now the inner wall of this stomach, it secretes some digestive juices which are known as gastric juice. Okay. The inner wall of the stomach, it secretes digestive juices. Digestive juices means which helps in the digestion of food. Okay, and these juices, they are known as gastric juices. Now the gastric juice which is secreted by the inner side or inner wall of the stomach, it contains hydrochloric acid. Okay, it contains an acid which is known as hydrochloric acid, along with mucus. Mucus is a slimy substance, sticky substance, and it contains an enzyme which is known as pepsin. Okay, so this stomach, it is the widest part of the alimentary canal, its inner wall secretes gastric juice which contains hydrochloric acid, which contains mucus and an enzyme which is known as pepsin.